Imagine accessing powerful search capabilities without relying on the cloud. Local semantic search offers privacy and speed, transforming how you find information. Let's explore the benefits of keeping your data close to home. This presentation is brought to you by Business Compass LLC. We are an Amazon Web Services advanced consulting partner. We build and migrate workloads to Amazon Cloud. Our website is businesscompassllc.com. Our phone number is 973-638-22284. Our email address is contact@businesscompassllc.us. Avoiding the cloud means faster access and enhanced security. Your data stays with you, reducing risks and improving efficiency. Discover why local search is a game changer for privacy-conscious users. Retrieval-Augmented Generation, or RAG, combines retrieval and generation for smarter searches. It enhances search capabilities by integrating relevant data with AI-driven insights. Let's dive into how RAG can revolutionize your search experience. RAG improves search accuracy by using context to deliver precise results. By leveraging both retrieval and generation, it offers a more comprehensive understanding of your queries. Experience the future of search with RAG. To get started, you'll need specific tools and software. Ensure you have a reliable local server and the necessary libraries installed. Let's walk through the setup process step by step. Begin by installing Python and essential packages. Follow our detailed guide to configure your environment correctly. With the right setup, you're ready to harness the power of local semantic search. Efficient indexing is crucial for effective search. Start by organizing your PDFs and preparing them for indexing. This step ensures your documents are ready for seamless retrieval. Indexing involves extracting text and metadata from your PDFs. Use tools like PyPTF2 to automate this process. Proper indexing enhances search speed and accuracy, making your data easily accessible. Semantic search goes beyond keywords, understanding context and meaning. Implement techniques like vector embeddings to improve search relevance. Let's see how semantic search transforms your data retrieval. Watch semantic search in action as it delivers precise results. By understanding user intent, it provides more accurate answers. Experience the difference semantic search makes in finding information. Boost search speed and accuracy with optimization tips. Use caching and efficient algorithms to handle large datasets. These strategies ensure your search system runs smoothly and effectively. Learn to manage extensive data without compromising performance. By optimizing your search setup, you can maintain quick response times even with growing datasets. Keep your system running at peak efficiency. Encountering problems. Identify common issues like slow searches or indexing errors. We'll guide you through solutions to keep your system running smoothly. Regular maintenance is key to a reliable search system. Learn how to perform routine checks and updates to prevent issues. Keep your search capabilities robust and efficient. Ready to explore advanced features? Customize your search system with plugins and extensions. These enhancements offer new functionalities and improve user experience. Continue your learning journey with resources and communities. Engage with forums and tutorials to deepen your understanding. Stay updated with the latest advancements in local semantic search. Recap. We've covered local search benefits, RAG, setup, indexing, and optimization. By implementing these strategies, you'll enhance your search capabilities and maintain control over your data. Takeaway. By mastering local semantic search, you'll achieve faster, more secure data retrieval. Keep exploring and refining your skills to stay ahead in the digital landscape. Call to action. Start implementing local semantic search today. Set up your environment, index your documents, and experience the benefits firsthand. Take control of your data and enhance your search capabilities. Join us in the next video for more advanced techniques and insights. Together, we'll continue to unlock the full potential of local semantic search. Let's keep learning and innovating.